What do you think this sounds like? Most tourists have never seen this instrument before. Some people think it is soft, some think it is relaxing. Others expect something like a guitar. Then they hear it, and nobody expects the first note. It is louder, more powerful, almost like the sound is jumping out of the instrument. That is why so many visitors can't stop smiling. Because this doesn't feel like listening to history. It feels alive. So be honest before hearing it. What did you think it sounded like?